Hello everyone. So for today's video, the theme is, what does a flare-up for you look like? For me, it actually varies on what causes the flare-up. Have I done too much mentally? That's going to lead to a lot of exhaustion. Have I done too much physically? I'm going to be in a lot of pain. Have I maybe used one muscle set more than I should have, and I've exhausted it? I'm going to be more likely to feel clicking in joints. These are very common ones for me, especially because I do a lot of playing of Wizards Unite, and I use my phone a lot for sharing information for these videos, different things like that. So I can tell it's dislocating. I'll feel pain in my hips, different things like that. My knees may start clicking. It just varies from what's causing the flare-up. Some other things, GI issues may come up. I may start feeling like I'm not hungry, or I'm getting really exhausted really fast and can tell it's a blood sugar issue. So some other things, I might get really lightheaded. A lot of times that'll be because I'm dehydrated, when most people wouldn't be dehydrated with the same amount of liquids, things like that. It just varies. I've noticed I'll get cramps or symptoms of cramps that I have if I don't get enough of certain nutrients, if I don't get enough milk, if I don't get enough magnesium, different things like that. I'll get sick easier. My husband will come home, he'll be fine, but someone at his work will be sick and I'll get sick without no warning. Sometimes I'll get sick and then he'll get sick, but then people around him were sick in between him getting sick and me getting sick with the same thing. So it's very clear that my immune system was just weaker at that time. So those are all symptoms of my flare-ups. Another weird symptom that I'll have is, and you might have seen it in previous videos, I'll start getting more gray hairs. And when I de-stress and I start eating healthier and stuff like that, they go away. It hasn't been I'm dyeing my hair. When you see that coming and going, I'm not dyeing my hair actually. It's been years since I dyed my hair. I do like to do it once in a while, but usually I'll dye it once and then I won't dye it for a number of years again. It just is a change in diet or change in my stress levels, different things like that. So that's what my flare-ups look like, and what I need to do to resolve those flare-ups varies by what causes the flare-up. If it's a GI issue, I need to look at why I'm having GI issues. Maybe I forgot to take my medicine before I ate sometime. That can actually screw me up sometimes for days. If I'm working too hard physically or mentally, it may be just sleeping, which can also help the immune system. If I'm under a lot of stress, which works your brain a lot mentally, it's obviously, once again, the sleeping, see what I can do about the stress levels, different things like that. So that's what my flare-ups look like, and flare-ups often in my family are very similar, other than I have a daughter who will actually go to the point of passing out if her electrolytes get too low. So I hope that helps you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.